Any questions about anything before we start talking about the unit circle? The desks are different because we didn't need to have all the desks we had in here anymore, so I moved them so we can go maskless. Anyways, no questions? We're just going to dive into the unit circle. Well, then let's.
Are you talking about questions about the assignment?
Anything, the assignment or anything that you want me to go over. If not, that's fine.
Since you said we didn't have to do the
Yep.
4.2 assignment.
Yep.
Well, can we ask questions after about that here?
Sure. Yep. Okay, so I'll start with the circle. Now I forgot. Does anybody have an extra one that I can have, and I'll just make more copies?
You gave us all two.
Yeah. Nice. I'll make you a copy in a bit. Thank you. So that way I can just write on top of this instead of trying to draw it. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to memorize this. Maybe I just do this on the board. Well, we'll do half at a time. Okay. There's a marker, so it's going to be big. So first thing, remember what we need to remember is, I'll just put it in the top corner here. 1/2 root 2 over 2 root 3 over 2. This is the smallest. This is the biggest. Okay? So that's all we kind of need to remember walking in. The rest, I think we can figure out. So you will get this this blank unit circle in the test, partially because you will need it, also because I need to know that you know it. So you will fill it out. You will be evaluated on that. You will fill it out, and then you will also use it for the test. So let's start with degrees. What degrees is this right here? 0. So this is 0 degrees. It's also 360. What's this one?
90.
90. This is 90 degrees. What's this one?
180.
And at the bottom?
270.
What is halfway between 0 and 90?
45.
Is anybody kind of like, how do they know this? I'm lost. And everybody's okay right now. Okay, so 45. What's 45 plus 90?
135.
What's 180 plus 45?
225.
And what's 270 plus 45?
315.
Are you reading this off of anything?
Yeah.
Okay, don't. That's not what I want. What's that?
For some of them I did it.
Okay, don't read off of it. I want you to kind of figure stuff out as we go. Please and thank you. What's this one without reading off anything?
30.
This one? 60. So notice there's lots of patterns here. So we can go by 90s. We can go by 45s. We can go by 30s. And so on, okay? 30, 60, 90. So this is 120. This is 150. We're just adding 30. 30, 30, 210. Plus 30 is 240. Plus 30 is 270. Plus 30 is 300. Plus 30 is 330. Any problems with that?
Could you move it up a tiny little?
Like that?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
The whole bottom.
Can't really see.
Yeah. I'll try and move it when I get to, like when I'm doing stuff down here, I'll move it up. I'll try and do that more as I'm doing it. Okay, so now, remember each of these, why did I have 3 colors? I thought there was 3 different things I wanted to do, but whatever. Each of these also can represent a triangle, right? So like this 30-degree triangle right here. They're all kind of 90-degree triangles. Oh, I know what I want to do. So with the coordinates, so if with this triangle right here, and I'm not going to draw this in for all of them because it'll just be a rockin' mess. There is a long side and a short side. The long side is always this. The short side is this. So for this long and short, this long side here, this x value is what?
Can you move it up slightly?
Sorry. I'm trying to get as much in the screen as I can.
Is root 3 over 2?
So it's root 3 over 2. That's a 3. Something happened to it. Root 3 over 2. The short side
As a half?
is a half. If you get that far, you'll probably be able to figure everything else out and fill it out. The reason I gave you so many copies of these sheets is so that you can do it kind of by memory, by practice, so that you can get yourself ready. Because like I said, you will get a blank one of these on the test, and you will need to be able to fill it out. So let's just skip to the 60 degree for 1 second. So this one has the long side is the vertical, and the short side is horizontal. So the x value is what?
It's the opposite. It's a half.
It's the opposite. It's a half, and then root 3 over 2. The nice part about the 45 degrees, a 45 degree means this is also 45 degrees, 45, 45, and 90. So the two sides are the same, and what are those two sides?
Root 2 over 2.
The coordinates for this point, right here, are what?
0 and 1.
Oops. 0 and 1, which is
Not
wrong.
1 and 0.
Oh, right.
1 and 0. Because x is 1 and it doesn't go up at all. What just happened? Oh, I bet you Mr. Taves just reset it for me. This is 1 and 0. What's this one?
0 and 1.
Is anybody confused about what's going on or how I'm doing this? Everybody's like totally good? So I probably don't need to spend much more time on this then. You guys are comfortable with this? Let's push it then a bit. This one right here, this 240 degrees, 240 degrees, don't make the triangles kind of with the y-axis. It's always with the x-axis. What are the coordinates for this bad boy?
Negative a half and negative root 3 over 2.
How do you know that?
Because it's the opposite of the one up above. And it's both negative because it's in the negative coordinate.
So they're both negative because x is negative on this side, y is negative on this side. So they're both negative.
60 degree.
It's a 60 degree reference angle.
Yeah.
That's right, 60 degree reference angle. The short side is the x, half, long side, root 3 over 2. I feel like you're getting this really quick, which means it makes, I'm wondering, are you getting it? But you guys are feeling good? I don't need to do any more about this. Just leave it there. Let you start working on the assignment, and then you can also, if you have time, you can kind of work on filling these things out.
Can we get extras?
Yeah. Do you want more extras?
Yeah.
Because I need to replace this for Evan, so I'll make a bunch of copies. How many do you want? How many does everybody want? 1 or 2 more?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make a bunch, and then I'll just let you take them.
So that's just for like practicing doing that.
Practicing for when, come test time and that, Can I borrow somebody else's? Because the marker bled on this side, so I'm just gonna stop recording.